Okay, this hangout is live. Excellent. This is my week 10 assignment for CIT 365 using ASP.NET MVC. This is my little page. Full screen looks like that. Small screen looks like that. See, we're supposed to demonstrate full functionality of the page. All right, so this is the database of LDS-related movies. The budget figures are my best guess, or what I could find on Google. I've styled it to be red instead of blue in every regard. The links are dark red, this is dark red, and etc., etc. I have fancy buttons. Should probably give this a little more lower padding. Let's demonstrate the functionality, though. If we want to filter by genre, it pulls a list of all of the genres that are entries in the database. So, for instance, if we wanted to filter by romantic comedy, we should get 2 results. Lo and behold, we get Johnny Lingo and the RM. If we wanted to look at book adaptation, we have the Book of Mormon movie, which I completely forgot existed, but I'm so glad that it does. For comedy, The Best 2 Years, a fairly funny movie. Documentary, Other Side of Heaven, Meet the Mormons, etc. So, let's filter by title. Let's look for titles that have the letter J in them. Johnny Lingo and The Journey. Let's filter by things that have the letter M in them. The RM, the Book of Mormon movie, Meet the Mormons. So we can see clearly that the filter function is working. If we want to just see all of them, let's sort by release date. Automatically, it is set to sort by release date of oldest to newest. So you can see that in 1969, the original, in my opinion, better Johnny Lingo was produced. Then 01, 03, 03, 04, 04, 04, 14. So let's filter it the other way. Behold. It has reversed. Next, let's test the edit page. Let's go to Meet the Mormons and give it a realistic, more realistic budget. The field budget must be between 1 and 100. I think that is referring to millions, so let's just give it a budget of $100 million. And Meet the Mormons has now a more reasonable budget. I should probably change this label to be millions of dollars. That would be more accurate. This would be down to half, and I would have to adjust the seed data portion of the database or just go through and manually edit. Let's look at the details of Johnny Lingo. Lo and behold. And let's go ahead and let's delete. Oh shoot, which movie shall we delete? Actually, let's test create new entry first. So let's create test movie. We can see that when we try and create it and it doesn't work, and the form fields are not filled out, that we receive an error. Red things appear telling us exactly what fields are required. This is thanks to our validation, which we input. Now, because this is a date field, we can just say that it was released then with a budget of $6 in the genre of Blade Runner, because it's its own genre, and it's going to be a rating of T for teen, I guess. I don't know. Let's create it, though. And we see here that we have test movie. Now let's test deleting it. We no longer have test movie. The delete functionality works. I have also set up this program so that when I run it, it automatically comes to this page instead of going to the default ASP.NET page. This just was for my sanity. I am unclear as to whether or not we need to implement pagination for this particular assignment. I tried to on a previous version of this project, and it proved to be difficult, frustrating, and time-consuming. The most important thing there is time-consuming. I do not have the time remaining in my week to tackle this particular issue, and for that I apologize. That has been the extent of my demonstration. Yeah.